So in this video, I want to show you how to integrate MasterStudy and StudioCart together. So first, let's ensure that you have already installed both of these plugins, in particular with StudioCart, at least version 2.7, because that's the version that has the MasterStudy integration. So once you ensure that both plugins are active, you're going to need to create a course in MasterStudy. So go to MS LMS, Courses, and then Add New Course. And then you can give the course a name, such as web design, and select a category. For example, you can select web design again. And if you're just starting, you might actually need to create the category first, which you can do by just hitting the plus button. Then you can select the level, which in this case, we'll just go with beginner. And you can also upload an image if you like. So once everything is set, click create. Next, you can add sections to your course. For example, you could create a section called Web Design Fundamentals. Now, within each section, you add lessons. So the free version of MasterStudy allows you to add text, video, and quiz lessons. The professional version actually lets you enable streaming via Zoom or Google Meet, and you can also add assignments. Now, for this example, I'll add a video lesson. Name it Lesson 1, and you can select the source type, which would usually be YouTube. And if you do select YouTube, provide the YouTube URL and the lesson duration. So to save time, I've actually already prepared a course. So I'll just go ahead and show you the course that I created with sections and lessons. So once you have all of this set up and all of your lessons added, you can add your pricing to it. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and select a one-time purchase and have my price be $99. And then make sure to publish the course. So this example is actually already published. So here's an example of what that looks like on the front end. So now the next step is to create a StudioCart product. So this ensures that when a user purchases a product in StudioCart, then they're automatically enrolled in the Master Study course. So go to StudioCart and then Products. And then you can click the Add New Product button. So let's go ahead and give this product a name. So I'll go ahead and put in Web Design 101. And then next, let's go to Payment Plan to set up the price. So I'll leave this as a one-time payment, and for the label, put in one time and a price of $99. Then we can go to Integrations, Add New, and here I'm going to select Master Study LMS for a service. For the trigger, I'll select Product Purchase. That way, every time someone purchases this product, they're automatically added to the Web Design 101 course, which is what I'm selecting here in the course dropdown. And then I'll go ahead and select Completed for order status. Now, optionally, if you want to give your customers some more control over their account, you can add a password field to your checkout forms. So we'll go to the Form Fields and Settings tab. And then we'll add a custom field using the password field type. I'm going to go ahead and type in an ID and label password. And then I'll make it a required field. And I'm just going to go ahead and have them auto log in after purchase. So that way, after they submit the checkout form, I can redirect them directly into the course and they'll be logged in and be able to access it without having to take any further steps. So now that that's all set up, let's go ahead and view our product. So this is a product that I just created in StudioCart from my Web Design 101 course. So let's go ahead and test out the checkout process and make sure that the integration is working as expected. So I'm just going to put in a testing name here for the first and last name fields. I've got my email, the phone, and company name are optional fields, so I'll just leave those blank, and I'll go ahead and type in my password. Since Stripe is in test mode, I'm going to use this test card information. And then I'll go ahead and click the Order Now button. So the order has completed, and now let's go ahead and check the back end to see if our user was created and enrolled in the course. So let's go ahead and check our users. And as you can see, we do have a new user created with our test information and email. Next, let's go ahead and check our courses and see if our new user was added as a student within MasterStudy. So for our course, I'm going to click the Manage Students button. And as expected, our user is listed under our students and enrolled in the Web Design 101 course. So that's it. This demonstrates how to integrate MasterStudy and StudioCart together to have automatic enrollment with your customized StudioCart checkout forms and your MasterStudy courses.